Okay, this is a lot better camera. Cap quit from bouncing. Wind's actually let up a little bit from what it was. There's the pup from Purgatory. Stay out and fish. My dock on a regular rainfall, I should say, sometimes it's as much as 2 steps down from the top of the dock to the deck of that pontoon boat. It is. Let's see here. If I can focus on some of these fish. That doesn't look too good. Go back out. Anyway, there are a ton of fish here. Those look like big old shiners for the most part. Oh, it is rank in here. I don't know what all these are. Here's some catfish. Boy, the ground is like spongy right there. You sink up to your ankles. There's some catfish, bunch of catfish. These catfish in this lake are good. Come on, girl. Out, out, out. Come on, Jezebel. Everybody out. I start to say these catfish as a rule are like pelican. Very nice. What damn. But that's all dead fish on top of those mats. There's oh, it's just crazy how much just goes on and on. The water's been lapping over the docks here. And down, if you can see it, let's see if this will work. Not this dock, but see that one? Probably underwater foot. It's been due to these docks. Is we had a pair of ospreys that have nested here forever, and they had there's the back of the camp right here. They had matter of fact, there's actually one flying up here. There's several. That's an osprey. There's a bunch of them that are still flying, but they didn't come back to this nest. I guess that was it for them. It was in a tree next to where it is now, and that tree actually got knocked down in a storm. Didn't hit either one of them. And then left of it was pretty blown out during the hurricane, and I don't know if they've moved or what exactly is going on. From here. This may be getting pretty boring. Yeah, there. Let me see if I can get on it. But anyway, I used to love to watch them, and they haven't. Come on, focus. There you go. That little bunch to that limb on the right, that little bunch of sticks and limbs and grass or whatever, is all that's left. That thing used to be 3 to 4 times that size, and that's all that's left of that nest. But, all right, I'll quit boring you. That's enough.